Wow, look at all that. And the wind is so strong. All that wind and rain. Hurricane Melissa is so insane, guys. You see? Wow, look at that. Whoa! As you can see, the power went out this morning. There's no lights in the Wi-Fi box. Wait, hold on. It's a good thing we chained up the gate so neither of them falls down. They always fall down when they're not chained up. Like last year and 13 years ago in 2012. This let me show you. This one fell down when the light went off during Hurricane Sandy. Same goes for Hurricane Beryl last year in 2024.